If your skin gets really dry and you're looking for something that actually heals and moisturizes, this is one that's worth having on hand. We've been using the CeraVe healing ointment for a few months now, and we really like it. This is a healing ointment and skin protectant that's specifically designed to repair your skin barrier. What that means in simple terms is that it's not just sitting on top of your skin, but it's actually helping to restore the natural protective layer so that your skin can heal itself. This is great for general dry skin, but it's also approved for eczema relief, which shows how gentle and effective it really is. So it's formulated with petroleum jelly, which locks in moisture, and hyaluronic acid, which helps retain natural hydration. And then it has 3 essential ceramides, which are naturally found in your skin. And by adding them back in, you're actually reinforcing your skin barrier. So it's not just adding the moisture on top, but it's rebuilding what your skin needs. This absorbs pretty well. It does leave a little bit of greasy kind of sheen there. So I just want to show you what it looks like. It goes away soon after applying it, so I don't really mind it. And it won't clog your pores, even though it's an ointment, which is nice. And this can be used on both your face and your body. So there's kind of that little sheen. For general dryness, so it's great for cracked heels or chafed areas or anywhere that your body needs serious moisture repair. And some people even use it as an overnight treatment, which is a great way to wake up with much softer skin. And this is fragrance-free and dye-free, which makes it really gentle for sensitive skin. It's approved by the National Eczema Association and is dermatologist recommended. It's also lanolin-free, which matters if you have sensitivities to certain ingredients. And it's FSA and HSA eligible, which is a nice bonus. If you're dealing with dry skin and you want something that actually helps your skin barrier repair itself instead of just masking the problem, this is a solid choice to go with. It works, it's gentle, and it can be used anywhere on your body. So we highly recommend it.